Welcome to another episode of Life with MaryAnn and Joe in fall 2023 series, and I'm going to do one more vignette today because someone gave us little booties. Alright, so let's do one more vignette before my fall home tour. I'm outside working, but we're having rain today, so back inside I decided to do one more thing because we picked up these cute little booties and I want to incorporate it into something, so I'm going to be working right here. I'm going to start by using this as a backdrop. Actually, this used to be a Christmas thing. It was blue and stuff. Painted this black. I wrote Happy Fall across the top. I added in these little pumpkins in here and a scarecrow and some hay and some leaves down here. So it makes like a little fall scene instantaneously. Alright, I'm going to try this tall black candle holder right here. Alright, so I'm totally winging this because I really didn't give it any thought. I woke up this morning and saw the weather and I was like, okay, I'm doing this. So anyway, here what I did next was I put in some garland just to cover up that a little bit. Just cover it a little. Alright, so to create some mood, I just added in 100 white mini lights. I thought I had orange. I would have put orange, but whatever. I put the white in and it'll be fine. So you say I did this whole thing here and then I just had some extras, so I incorporated it into that. Going for a Halloween vibe here, so I'm using the green, the purple, and the copper. So if you see these in Dollar Tree, you know they don't have any hooks. So all I do is I take a regular old Christmas hook like this and I just stick it in there because they're styrofoam, and then I can hang it on this thing like that. I'm adding these because I haven't used them anywhere else. And this is kind of like glittery, gives it that, I don't know, mysticky feeling for me. I'm gonna put these in. Next in is this witch. Love her. She has the purple and the great orange hair, the broom, the spider hanging from her hand and her hat, and she's great. Next I put in this pot. I have a black pot that looks like a witch's pot, but you know, well, I don't know where it is. I put it somewhere or with something that I thought, hey, I'll remember that, but I don't remember right now, and I don't have time to go crazy. So I used this black. I put it on top of this to make it look like it's a pot cooking. And I added in some more pumpkins right here. And then down at the base, I put this kind of stuff just at her feet. And this was the inspiration for the whole thing because somebody just gave us these little witch boots right here. So I put those right in the front. Let me show you the whole thing. And in fact, I'll just show you around the little library here what I did in here, which is not much, but I'll share it with you. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Notice I moved that picture over to the side because somebody was saying, hey, you hid that picture that you did. All right, everybody, don't forget, subscribe, comment, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.